It's Marker Madness. Here is our hypothesis. If the color of each marker appears to be the same black, then the dyes extracted will also be the same black. That's an S.
Materials that you need in order to do this experiment, pretty simple. It should all be things that you have, hopefully, maybe.
3 black markers, different brands. Scissors, coffee filters, 3 beakers that can at least hold 150 milliliters of water. Water, yeah. Pencil to label, you know how that works. Measuring cup to measure, or a graduated cylinder works as well. Because you need materials. Alright, the independent variable in this experiment were the 3 different types of markers, being Crayola, Expo, and Mr. Scent.
The dependent variable in this was the separation of the dyes.
And the results of this experiment will be expressed through observations.
3 separate beakers.
Always remember,
Safety first. Alright, so we already have our labeled strip a piece of paper. For Mr. Sketch marker, you're going to hold it down so that it bleeds into the paper, however long you think that takes. After that, we need to prepare our little thing in here. 150 milliliters of water.
A little more cake.
Then you're going to dip your strip of paper in there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull it out and lay it on another coffee filter to dry and watch the magic. So here's our progress. You can see that it's split into orange and blue. Mr. Drawler or whatever. Oh, wait. Mr. Sketch. So we repeated this experiment 3 different trials
on 3 different markers, and this is how they're turning out.
If you can't read it, this is Mr. Sketch, this is Crayola, and this is Expo. Expo didn't work too well, but the other 2 you get a clear picture of what they look like. So, our hypothesis was that since all the colors of the markers were the same, that the colors of the dyes would also be the same when they separated.
But the results showed not that. One of the trials, the Mr. Sketch, separated into orange and blue, and the Crayola separated into blue, so the dyes were not the same colors.
So it didn't support our hypothesis. Oh, there we go. See me a little better, but it didn't support our hypothesis, but it's still.
We were wrong. Experimental error could have occurred if
The temperatures of the water was different in each beaker.
If the amount of ink pressed into the paper was different.
or if you just flubbed up. It happens.
Our group would like to thank Ms. Blaza for letting us use the iPads, and credit goes to the following sources.
Why?
This is the proper way to take off your gloves.
We have Noah doing the fitness Grand Pacer test. How's it going, Noah?
I quit. I'm on 2.
You're on 2? Oh man.
2.
Dang, buddy.
Take off your gloves. Let's take off one.
And use it.
Inside the other glove, and you pull the other one out, and then
Drop a bit of water onto your plastic baggie.
It's kind of cool how
Oh, it's running.
it's cool how it's
It's run. Oh no! Oh no! Blooper reel.
Okay.
Sorry. So basically, all of them separated into different colors, and we thought they would be the same, and they weren't. So
we were wrong.
our hypothesis wasn't supported.